Most people download MoneyLion expecting fast emergency cash, with zero downsides. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, MoneyLion can be one of the more flexible cash advance apps available. But many users still misunderstand how the app works, who actually qualifies for larger advances, and where extra costs can quietly appear. Some people use MoneyLion successfully for short-term emergencies. Others get frustrated because they expect huge instant approvals immediately after signing up. So before you connect your bank account, there are a few important things you need to know first. In this video, I'll give you a full, honest MoneyLion cash advance review for 2026, explain the pros and cons, and help you decide whether it's actually worth using today. Let's get straight into it. MoneyLion offers a feature called InstaCash, which allows eligible users to access money before payday. Let's say Alex gets paid next week, but his car suddenly needs repairs today. Instead of using a high-interest payday loan, MoneyLion may provide a short-term cash advance to help cover the gap. AI. One reason the app became popular is flexibility. Compared to some competitors, MoneyLion may offer higher advance limits over time for users with healthy account activity and regular deposits. But here's the problem. Most users do not qualify for the maximum amount right away. New accounts often start with lower limits until the app sees stable repayment behavior. Another major feature is instant transfer options. If Jake suddenly needs cash for rent or groceries, MoneyLion can send funds quickly for eligible users. This speed is one reason many people prefer these apps over traditional loan applications. Now, here's where it gets interesting. MoneyLion often focuses more on account behavior than traditional credit scores. That means users with average or poor credit may still qualify if their banking activity looks stable. The app also includes budgeting tools, credit monitoring, and banking features. For some users, these tools are genuinely helpful for tracking spending and avoiding overdrafts. This is where most people fail. They focus only on instant cash and completely ignore repayment timing. Once payday arrives, repayment withdrawals can create another cash shortage if spending habits do not improve. In a minute, I'll explain who should actually use MoneyLion and who should avoid it completely. Another thing users should watch carefully is transfer fees. Standard transfers may take longer, while faster delivery options often cost extra. Those fees may seem small individually, but repeated borrowing can become expensive very quickly. MoneyLion works best for people with stable deposits who occasionally need emergency cash between paychecks. If John only needs short-term help once in a while, the app can be practical and convenient. But if someone already depends on advances every paycheck cycle, using apps like MoneyLion repeatedly can create a difficult financial pattern. So, is MoneyLion worth using in 2026? For occasional emergencies and short-term cash flow problems, yes, it can still be one of the better options available. The app offers flexible features, beginner-friendly tools, and easier approval compared to many traditional lenders. But users need to manage repayment timing and transfer fees carefully. If this honest MoneyLion review helped you understand the real pros and cons before signing up, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below whether you think MoneyLion is still worth using in 2026.